Okay, so this was sent to me from Daniel. This is Ringdama. Okay, so the people at Ringdama sent me 2 of these because they wanted me to try them out. Right off the bat, they're smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be a normal size Kendama. Let's rip this open. They can do astro drugs. So the packaging is pretty minimal. It's not hard to open. And once you open it, it's done. It's good. Most people spend too much money on packaging. So this is fixed, and there's only one place to put the string. I feel like having the string in the front is like the best idea. So, like, of course, it's gonna deploy pretty good. I mean, all this really is ball in a cup. Because, like, if these were spikes, maybe you could do something. But I can't spin it around my finger like they do in the video. Unless you have it like this. review of this toy is that just putting it firmly on your finger where it can't slip off, you don't have many options. But as you can see, if you take your finger out, make it a little bit bigger, you can do a lot of stuff. I guess it's breaking the rules of the toy, but you could also get two of them and cross them together like this. That would be pretty crazy. But yeah, this is pretty cool. It's like a cup and a ball, basically. I don't want to rip this off, but I bet it would be cool to just have the cup and the ball in your hand. But yeah, this is Ringdama. I don't know how much they are. They can't be that much, but they're pretty fun. When you break the rules, it's crazy. You can install it like this, which is crazy, and then you can install it like that. So it's basically like a real Kendama. If these were sharper and could fit a hole, that'd be crazy. You could spike it. But yeah, that's pretty cool toy.